Welcome to Wiltshire Wildlife Trust Coombe Bissett Down Nature Reserve. Located in the chalk hills of South Wiltshire near Salisbury, our reserve covers 70 hectares of beautiful rolling chalk downland. It's also a site of special scientific interest due to the rich variety of plants and animals that can be found here.
In the UK, we have lost 80% of chalk grassland habitat since the Second World War due to changes in land use. Wiltshire Wildlife Trust is committed to reversing that loss at Coombe Bissett Down Nature Reserve by restoring the fields from arable to chalk grassland, which once carpeted the steep slopes with a wide variety of beautiful wildflowers.
Visitors are welcome at Coombe Bissett Down all year round.
There are 4 different walking trails to follow around the nature reserve. All are clearly signposted and are circular. They cover a variety of terrains: easy access, short, long and valley loops. There is also a tramper route. Each trail is clearly marked on the boards located at the entrances. The reserve leaflet featuring the different trails can also be downloaded before you visit from www.wiltshirewildlife.org.
What will you see when you visit Coombe Bissett Down?
In winter, the reserve is dramatic and windswept, and this is when you'll see large flocks of fieldfare and red-winged birds. In spring, the bright yellowhammers can be spotted, singing from the tops of bushes. In summer, you'll be spoilt with a riot of colourful wildflowers, from yellow nodding cowslips to the vibrant pink burnt orchid. These beautiful flowers bring out the bees and the butterflies, such as the marsh fritillary and the large solitary scabious bee. At any time of year, buzzards will be soaring and wheeling overhead, or perhaps you'll be lucky enough to spot a kestrel hovering in the air, looking for its next meal.
We hope you enjoy your visit to Coombe Bissett Down, and please remember to follow the Nature Reserve Code. Leave no trace and keep your dog on a lead.
Coombe Bissett Down Nature Reserve is protected for wildlife, maintained by livestock, and offers managed access for visitors. Wiltshire Wildlife Trust would like to thank the National Lottery Heritage Fund for their support in funding this vital reversion project at Coombe Bissett Down.